Hi there. Another year, another list of resolutions, right? You know the drill. This year, I'm going to work out more, eat healthier, learn French, start meditating. By February, those good intentions are gathering dust and we're back to scrolling memes. Why do resolutions fail so often? I'll tell you why. Too many goals, not enough self-discipline. Today, we're going to fix that with a little help from the Temperance card in the tarot. Let's dive right into it, shall we? The problem with long lists of resolutions is that they're scattered. It's like trying to build a temple with random stones instead of solid pillars. You start strong, but nothing holds together. We overestimate our time and energy and underestimate distractions. That's where the Temperance card steps in. Temperance isn't about extremes. It's about harmony. It's about finding balance between effort and rest, focus and flexibility. In other words, self-discipline. The angel isn't rushing. The angel is measured, deliberate, steady. And that's the mindset we need to cultivate for real progress. If you can focus on just one resolution, that is self-discipline, you'll automatically make everything else stronger. It's like setting the foundation stone for a building. My 4 resolutions are simple. Number 1, read more. Number 2, draw more. Number 3, make more YouTube videos. And number 4, paint more. Sounds like a lot? Perhaps. But they're all connected. The drawings make my paintings better. The books I read feed into my videos. My videos keep me accountable, making me draw and paint more. See the pattern? It's like a feedback loop. See, these aren't separate goals. They're pillars holding up the same creative temple. When your resolutions align, they don't compete for your time. They flow together. You're not splitting your energy. You're multiplying it. The trick is to assign specific time slots for each pillar and stick to it. Again, when I read, I'm feeding my videos. When I draw, I'm refining ideas for paintings. It all builds towards something bigger. And this is where self-discipline shines. It's not about being harsh with yourself. It's about consistency, like the steady hand of temperance, pouring just enough, never too much, never too little. When you master this, you're unstoppable. So here's how to start. Number 1, simplify. Pick no more than 4 resolutions that support each other. Number 2, schedule. Assign blocks of time for each activity. Even 20 minutes a day can create momentum. Number 3, reflect. At the end of each week, check in with yourself. Did everything feel connected or scattered? Adjust accordingly. Self-discipline isn't about punishing yourself. It's about building momentum and enjoying the process. Think of your 2025 resolutions like building a temple. At the core of that temple is self-discipline. Without it, everything crumbles. But with it, your creative life becomes sacred, intentional, and unstoppable. So instead of writing another list of goals you'll forget by February, write just one word: discipline. The rest will follow. So what will your temple look like this year? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to align your creative goals, hit the like button and subscribe. Let's build something amazing together. Oh, and before I forget, may the gods, muses, angels, and whatever you want to call these timeless archetypes be your guides and inspiration. Till next time, peace. Thank you very much for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Also, check out the video on the screen right now for more insights and inspiration. Your support means everything to me and helps this channel grow. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.